Hey, thanks for being here with me for a moment. I've been living with the Q990D for weeks now, and the first thing you'll notice is how quickly it becomes part of your day. Not just a soundbar, something that changes the way you experience your own space. If you're the kind of person who refuses to settle for flat, thin audio, the kind who knows immediately when a system is engineered properly, this is made for you. You don't chase volume. You chase presence, immersion, and that feeling of being pulled straight into whatever you're watching. Before we go deeper, check the current price and stock while you're watching this, because this model moves in waves and waiting usually costs you. There's always that moment when you realize your old setup isn't keeping up anymore. Maybe your previous bar needed constant tweaking, or the dialogue felt buried, or everything just sounded compressed and small. You reach a point where you're done making excuses for weak gear, and when I plugged in the Q990D, that entire frustration just lifted. You hear the first scene and it's like someone cleaned the entire soundstage with a pressure hose. You sit there, and you feel the room open. The wireless rears fill the space behind you without any harsh edge. The bass doesn't thud, it breathes. And the Atmos layer actually rises above you instead of pretending to. You suddenly notice details you didn't even know your favorite movies were hiding. Daily life becomes different with it. Late night shows feel rich and warm without blasting the house. Action movies wrap around you the way they were mixed in the studio. Game sessions hit harder, cleaner, faster, almost like your reflexes tighten because the audio clarity is that sharp. Even simple stuff, like watching small YouTube videos or listening to a playlist, feels more intentional. And once you feel this performance level, it becomes really hard to go back. Every time you think about a smaller model or a weaker setup, you immediately remember how this one makes your room feel complete. Don't wait too long, because this thing is known for sudden stock swings and strange price jumps. Check it again before you forget. If you have hesitations, they're usually the same ones everyone has. Is it too much? Will you even use the full capability? The funny thing is, you start using it more than you expected. That's the surprise. Even casual listening feels premium, and you don't have to fiddle with settings. SpaceFit keeps the room tuned without you thinking about it. I didn't expect how much pride I'd feel owning it. It changes the way you think about your living room. You look at your setup and feel like you actually finished something, like you finally built the home theater you always had in your head. The strengths are powerful sound that feels alive, dialogue that finally sounds natural, bass that shakes without distorting, and Atmos that actually lifts instead of faking height. The downsides are the size and the price, although once you live with it, they stop feeling like downsides at all. You can compare endlessly, but at some point you stop pretending you want something cheaper. You already know which one feels right. You know when it's time. If you're ready, check the link, confirm the price, and make the upgrade while it's still available. This is one of those decisions that feels even better after you make it.